The hovering big bug. Almost right above us. We're afraid it's going to fall. We're afraid it's going to fall on us. It's almost directly over us. Jeez. Fall on Javits Center, please. Further, like 11th Avenue, not here. Oh, jeez. Well, at least it's going. It's not going to fall on us now.